Got some news on Saturday, the 23rd of April. A siren will go off on nearly every smartphone in the UK at 3 pm. The government has announced that 10 seconds of sound and vibration is to test the new emergency alert system. And the system will be used to warn of extreme weather events such as flash floods or wildfires. And it could also be used during terror incidents or civil defense emergencies if the UK was under attack. This is interesting that they're testing out something like this. Um, do they know something we don't know? Is something around the corner? Who knows? But it'll be interesting to see what about those people who don't have a smartphone, or if there's any people left who don't have a phone at all. What about them? But people who say the government can't access your phone, here's your answer. They can. If you've got a smartphone, they can access it, and you'll see that on the 23rd of April.